Hello, and welcome to a new series we're going to be doing. We're going to go here. We're going to start a new franchise. Use the active roster. What we're going to be doing is we are going to be rebuilding the Browns, and I'm going to go ahead and skip that because no one actually wants to do that. Now, y'all are going to be hearing live commentary. I was debating whether or not to do this. This is going to be a horrible. I just have this feeling. I mean, we're going to change the coach to team builder. Name. Okay, hit done there. And wait, no, not going to use my actual name. I don't know why, because I'm pretty sure all y'all have actually seen my last name, but just in case y'all ain't, yeah. Because I am white as fuck. Yeah, that's actually pretty darn close. If I could do a suit in this game, I would, but yeah, that's probably exactly what I would wear if I were coaching. We're going to run the run and gun playbook. And on defense, I want to use the 46 playbook. Because it has both 4-3 and 3-4, as well as nickel dime, that stuff. So I really like these playbooks, and we're going to accept that. Why does he look... Give me just a second. Whatever. Close enough. Starting point, we're going to do the preseason. Change the role. To owner. We're just going to use the actual owner here because no real reason to do that. Go to league settings, skill level, All-Madden. Why am I going to do this? Okay, since I'm not going to be doing that, I'm just going to turn it off to make sure. Trade type, enable all, coach firing. We're going to leave it on. Salary cap will be on. Relocation. To let you guys know, we are not going to relocate the Browns. Cleveland does not deserve that. Under any circumstance, pre-existing injuries, I'm actually going to turn them off. Practice squad stealing, hell yeah. 4 weeks. We're going to be running full 15-minute quarters. I'm going to edit a lot of stuff. I'm going to, cut out some stuff. So y'all are only going to see highlights. Minimum play clock time. Well, I'm not even going to bother using this. See what I mean? I can't adjust it. Fill roster. Yeah, no, I'm going to turn that off. Re-sign players. Leave that off. Progress players. I almost want to set this as... Yeah, I'm going to set this as on because... Yeah, I'm going to just do that. Sign off season free agents. We're going to leave that off. Tutorial pop-ups. We're going to turn those off. Back. Okay, let's go. And I'm also going to need to turn the music off in this, but I'll do that next time. I'll just, cut the audio from the game for this episode. So, yeah. Well, the first thing we need to do is look at the team. So we're going to go to depth chart. Okay, I guess we'll go to depth chart. Okay, so we're going to start Cody Kessler. Actually, I should probably do this from the roster. So let's go to quarterback. Cody Kessler. Actually, I'm going to add RG3 to the trade block. because I think we'll be good with Kessler, McCown, and Hogan. Halfback. For anybody questioning this, don't. I did it because I think he'd actually be a decent running back. But here's the really awesome thing is we're not spending a lot on running back, so I figured we could have it. And we're going to be cutting a few of these players as they go on because let's be honest here, we're not going to keep these two guys. And 3 running backs is more than enough. And actually, let's make sure that I've got everything correct on this one because I need to make sure I edit the player because he is College, Florida. Okay, I got that part correct. Appearance, he is 6'4", 240-ish. Actually, I think he is 27. Equipment. And we'll go with whatever he's got. We're not going to change that stuff. Okay. Save the changes. So he's a little bit big for a running back. He's actually probably got a better body for a tight end or a fullback, but whatever. Okay, I was just making sure he was not on it. I'm just checking to make sure because we've actually got a fullback. Good God, what a low overall. Oh my God. That's just low. Jeez. Okay, well, let's be honest here. Gordon is suspended. I'm actually gonna make that realistic. So we're gonna move him down the depth chart for the first 4 weeks. Corey Coleman is actually pretty good. Hawkins, I think he has potential. And then we've got a bunch of really horrible players. Gary Barnage is good. Then we've got absolute shit. At left tackle, at least we have Joe Thomas. Bitonio, he's actually pretty darn good. Cam Irving. Right guard, we've got Greco. Cam Irving's actually a turnstile. Our offensive line is actually not bad. Of all, I will say this about Cleveland. Of all things, the offensive line is not bad. As a Patriots fan, I envy their offensive line. Ends, we really could. Hey, they actually moved Ogba to end. I want to... Okay, normal development. Well, I'm probably going to move him up on the depth chart because I really like him as a player, and I think he's got more upside than Pea, who actually, I'm going to put him on the block. Okay. Defensive tackle. We've only got Danny Shelton, so we need to sign a DT. Or move someone to be the backup. Jamie Collins, damn, he's actually gone down in overall a lot. Good God. Christian Kirksey's pretty darn good. We need everyone basically. Linebacker, yeah, we need a lot. Dang. Our corner, we also need corners. And at safety, free safety sucks. How many corners do we have? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 corners. I'm actually gonna maybe move someone. Tremont Williams. He was, he started this year as a corner, and they moved him to safety. Ugh. Said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add him to the trade block. Okay, strong safety. He's young, but this guy is younger. Kicker, Cody Parkey, ugh. Brenton Colquitt, ugh. It said we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 draft picks. Well, yeah, but 4 of them are early, so that's pretty good. And the next year we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 picks. Practice squad, no one. Roster. Okay. So we're going to go back. And I want to go to the depth chart now. Okay. We're going to put McCown over Griffin. Running back, we're good in terms of depth. Shit. I may as well just put Tebow up there. He's better than our fullback. And you know what I'm going to do is I want to cut our full... I'm just going to straight up cut our fullback because he sucks. And I didn't even go through the depth chart like I wanted to do. Wide receiver... Going to move Josh Gordon down to where Gary Barnes. Oh. And I'm just going to move Josh Gordon down, replacing him with the next guy down because he is actually suspended. Yay. There we go. Then at tight end, yeah, I guess we're good there. Yeah. Left tackle, of course, Joe Thomas. Good God. Batonio, man, our depth is horrible. Oh my word. What is wrong? Right tackle. I mean, at least our starters are good, but our depth needs to get a lot better. Desmond Bryant. Okay, I mean, I guess that's passable. At right end, we're just going to put Ogba over Paya. At DT, I mean, we're not terrible. Paya. I mean, shit. I mean, wow, okay. Man. Okay. I mean, at least linebacker, it looks like we're straight. Except on the right, we're going to need a right outside linebacker. Free safety. Yeah. Man, though. Hayden. Corner. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to move everybody up. Because, I'm sorry, good God. There we go. Oh. I mean, damn. Oh, he's a starting. Well, okay. There we go. Who did I move down just then? Oh, him. Well, I guess it doesn't matter, but that's the way we're doing that. I guess it's time to go into a game, and why on earth am I going to be doing this? Rebuild. I guess I should sign a free agent. Let's look at the free agents that there are. Man, signing Will Hill would be a good idea. Because Josh Gordon is not supposed to be there. Because he is suspended. There we go. Okay. There we go. And McCown is supposed to be over Kessler. Or not Kessler. McCown is supposed to be over RG3, who is on the trade block. Anyway, we're going to play. And when I do, some one-offs and all that, we are going to be doing this. These uniforms are awful. Almost as awful as the home uniforms. I mean, the color rush ain't bad, but it's not good either. But I don't know how. I'm sorry. Those. Ugh. So instead, I decided we're going to have our own rebuild uniforms, which are so much better. This is what Cleveland needs. And we're going to go ahead and be ready and, skip Manuel Ogba is. And, that's what Eddie Lacy does. This is going to be a long game. Yeah, that was to be expected. We're going to skip there. And actually, I should be using this anyway. Because I'm going to trust my offensive and defensive coordinators. Here we go. Let's cut it to this side because... Damn. That kind of sucked. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let's cover this. Okay. Well, I wouldn't do that for Coleman, but okay. Oh, there you go, Hawkins. So we have a 3rd and 3, and they want to pass. Let me guess, we got Duke Johnson in? No, we still got Crowell. Okay. There we go. I mean, I really want to go out of the I formation. Okay, we're gonna run. We're gonna get old John Gruden up in here. I'm not throwing the Venus, which is Barnard. No, I'm sorry. The Venus is Coleman. Coleman might be open, but okay. So, wow, that was a bad throw. I would have deserved it if that was picked. I really would have. Okay, 2nd and 10. Let's just run it. Man, I can't even time that. That was bad. 3rd and 9. And all of these plays suck. Let's just run a strong flood, I guess. And I just got, damn it. Fucking course. God damn it. Oh. Oh, god damn it. Our offensive line just sucks. God damn it. Oh, wow. Threw it not only off the back, what else are we going to play, right? There we go. We actually got a pick there. And there we go. Pryor was open. There we go. There we go. There we go. And you know what I just realized is we've got, two non-quarterbacks who can actually throw at a competent level. Haven't actually improved our defense, even though it looks like it has. It's probably because our corners suck ass. I mean, and wow. Crowell. There we go. We'll take it. Oh, god dang, I was trying to stay in the end. I was trying to stay in the end zone. Really what you just do is you literally run it up the gut. McCown is in, and so is Duke Johnson. There's actually some decent room, in my opinion. Cover 3, so Higgins is probably going to be open. Well, we have set this up for a block. Whoops. Okay, so when you see them in this formation on defense, you know you have a fake. And if you can do it correctly, you can get a touchdown off of it. I mean, we're playing the part of the 1940 Redskins against the 1940 Bears here. And of course we allow somebody to get wide fucking ass open. I'm going to continue this game, but I think you guys well know the result, so... yeah, I think I'm just going to stop the episode here. Thank you for watching.